You study Spanish, you practice your grammar, you even dream in Spanish, but then you open your mouth and your tongue says, "Nope." Don't worry, in this video I show you 3 pronunciation secrets that will make you sound instantly more Spanish, even if you still struggle with the R. Hola, I'm the Spanish Knight, and today you'll finally discover how to sound natural like someone who actually lives in Spain, not like a robot or a textbook recording. I'll show you how to train your tongue, your ears, and your rhythm, so Spanish finally feels easy to say, not just to study. Now let me tell you a story about one of my students. Axel from Boston was obsessed with pronunciation, but every time he tried to say words with double R, like perro or arroz, it came out like a weird mix between pero and a growling dog. So I told him, relax, it's not about strength, it's about technique, and that's what you are gonna learn right now. Secret number 1, the real way to pronounce the R. Most people try to pronounce the R by tapping the tongue like a D sound, like da da da, but that's not realistic. Your tongue ends up in the wrong place. So here's how to do it right. Place your tongue close to the roof of your mouth, just behind your upper teeth, but don't touch it. Now exhale with a bit of force so the air makes your tongue vibrate. If it doesn't work at first, don't worry. Most Spanish learners need time. Even Spaniards took years to roll it as kids. Just practice a few minutes every day, and I promise, one day it'll just happen. You can start with words like rápido, arroz, perro. Say them slowly, feel the vibration, and build it up. Secret number 2, the D that sounds like an R. Here's a super common mistake. Many English speakers pronounce the D like a soft R. So instead of todo, they say toro. Instead of cada, they say cara. Instead of estado, they say estado. That's because in English, the tongue moves differently. In Spanish, your D should lightly touch the back of your teeth, not the roof of your mouth. Try it with me. Todo, cada, estado. Nice and clean, not toro, not cara, not estado. Secret number 3. Connect words like a native. And finally, Spaniards connect everything when we speak. We drop vowels, merge syllables, and never stop the flow. I'll give you an example. Voy a comer, voy a comer. He estado allí, he estado allí. Para eso, para eso. Todo está bien, todo está bien. No es nada, no es nada. It's not laziness, it's rhythm. Spanish flows like a music, not like math. I got a mini game for you. I'll say one fast and you guess the real phrase. Voy a llamarte mañana. Got it? Voy a llamarte mañana. I'm gonna call you tomorrow. So remember Axel from Boston? He practiced those 3 secrets every single day, just 5 minutes, using the trick I taught him for the R. A week later, he sent me a voice message saying, Ángel, listen to this. Rápido, arroz, perro. And honestly, it was perfect. He said, man, I finally sound Spanish. That's the power of consistency. If Axel did it, tú también puedes. And speaking of practice, watching this channel without subscribing is like going to Madrid and not eating chocolate con churros. Technically, you were there, but did you really live the experience? So venga, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you can truly taste real Spanish, sweet, authentic, and 100% delicious. Now that you know 3 of the most important secrets to sound like a real native, they won't help you much if you still pronounce the C and Z like a Latin American. So in the next video, I'll give you the ultimate key to sound like a true Spaniard. How to pronounce C and Z perfectly, and when to use it, that famous th sound. Click the video right here and keep mastering real Spanish pronunciation like a real Spaniard.